Good morning, students. Welcome to your maths class. Today we will do chapter number 16, representing 3D in 2D. Yes, in our daily life we see several objects like glass, books, bricks, matchboxes, ice cream cones, etc. around us, which have different shapes. They all occupy space and have three dimensions, so they are called three-dimensional or 3D figures. In this chapter, we will represent 3D in 2D figures. First, we will read about faces, edges, and vertices. Plural of vertex is called vertices. Edge. A line segment where the adjacent faces of solid intersect is called an edge. Edge is also known as side. Face. A plane surface enclosed by an edge or edges is called face. Vertex. A point where three edges meet is called a vertex. Vertex is also called the corner of the solid. Now face diagonal. Face diagonal of cube or cuboid is the line segment that joins the opposite vertices of face. Now space diagonal. Space diagonal of cube or cuboid is the line segment that joins the opposite vertices of cube or cuboid passing through its interior. Means which is passing through interior, that is called space diagonal, and which is joining the opposite vertices of face, that is called face diagonal. Now first we will read about cube. Face. In cube it has 6 faces and it has 12 edges, 8 vertices, 2 diagonals in each face, so there are 12 diagonals in cube. Space diagonals. There are 4 space diagonals in a cube. Now same as cuboid, cube is made up of square and cuboid is made up of rectangle, and cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. The opposite rectangular plane surfaces are identical, means equal in all respects. And parts of cuboid, see, this is cuboid, and cuboid has also 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices, and there are 2 diagonals in each face, so 6 faces, 6 multiplied 2, total 12 diagonals. Space diagonal. There are 4 space diagonals in a cuboid. Next shape is cylinder. Yes, a cylinder has 3 faces and 2 edges and no vertices, means no corner. Now cone. Cone has 2 faces, one curved face and one is flat face. Edge. A cone has one edge only, that is curved edge. Vertex. A cone has only one vertex. Next is sphere. A sphere is a geometrical figure that is perfectly round, three-dimensional and circular like a ball. Geometrically, a sphere is defined as the set of all points equidistant from a single point in space. In sphere, there is a curved surface, no edge, no vertex. Now we will see main points of this chapter. A plane figure that can be drawn on a plane is known as 2D shape. The shapes which occupy space are called solid shapes or 3D shapes. The line segment where the adjacent faces of solid meet is called edge. A plane surface enclosed by an edge or edges is called face. The point where 3 edges meet is called vertex. We can represent solid shapes in 2D shapes. Nets are two-dimensional representation of three-dimensional shapes. Oblique sketch and isometric sketch are 2 types of sketches of a solid. Geometric shapes can be classified either 2D or 3D. These are the basics of this chapter. In your syllabus 16.1 and 16.4 is there. So in next video we will do exercise 16.1 and 16.4. Okay beta, have a nice day. Thank you.